guys? Kings and Queens. It's your boy King Throttle. Wait, wait a minute. Maybe not anymore. Kings and Queens. What's going on? It's your boy Chief Throttle. Back to you with another video. Listen, I had to actually make this very quick. Sitting here currently in the Walmart parking lot, but I'm actually on the way, well, about to be on the way to go pick up, well, not to go pick up, but to go meet my boy Nasir, aka Rockzilla, all right? Because he's getting off of work at 2. It's roughly about 1:15, 1:20, I think, the last time I looked at. My phone is in my saddlebag, but that's okay. But yeah, so today technically there is no, I don't know, man. I'm just pressing record and just gonna see what happens. We're gonna meet up with the guys today. I think we all trying to go get some pizza or something like that, and then I don't know, maybe ride up to Harley. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? We're just gonna ride. All right. It's supposed to be 86 degrees in Atlanta today, so yes, it's a beautiful day to go ride. If you're not riding in this kind of weather, you know, and you have a motorcycle, sell it. Just go sell it. Just go sell it because you don't want to ride, okay? But yeah, that's it. So let's get ready to go because we need to go right now. And let's get ready to ride. Peace. Okay, y'all, so we done made it over here to go pick up my boy Rockzilla, aka Nas. Yo, so that's his bike right there, right? Of course, you know, there's mine. So we've got to actually go inside and go scoop him. But here's the thing though. So Nas actually just texted me and said that he got to stay an extra hour because his closer called out on him. So we about to go in there and pick on him, y'all. So come on, let's go. Try not to let him see me. Let's see if we can sneak up on him. There you go. This must be the face of somebody who has to stay at work, who has to stay at work at extra. He mad, y'all. He mad. He got that money. Dude, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole, dude. It's a whole different type of riding style. Yeah. You know, we'll talk more about it. You do that now. No, I ain't gonna use it. What's up, my G? What's up, man? What's your name? Chief. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that's my son.
Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, okay, I see the striking resemblance.
Where you get the coat, man?
You feel me though? It's all right. Talk about it.
Man,
Good. It's the, man. It's It's the drip. Summer rider jacket, mesh all over. Got the protection in the back. You
That's
know,
the coat, yeah.
It's cold.
Oh no, we can't call you Chief Brawler no more with that coat. Yeah, it's you Batman.
It's the, boy, now see that's how you earn names. You know what I'm saying? But yo, I mean,
Yeah,
like
that's the drill.
okay, all right, kings and queens. Look, so yeah, so just waiting on Nas to get out of work. I actually just came back from the comic book store. Of course, you know I have to go to the comic book store. You already know that. If you know me, you know I have to go to the comic book store since we're already right here anyway, right? Okay. So, like I said, what we're doing now, we're just waiting on Nas to get out. But what I'm actually going to be doing is I actually want to try out some different angles on my motorcycle to see exactly how it will pan out. I have this like little attachment here, so I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm thinking, because typically where I usually always put the Insta360 is on the handlebars, or sometimes even right here. So it'll have, like I said, well, shit, y'all know what the angles look like, but I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure out to see exactly where it could go. You know, maybe back here on the sissy bar, like right back here. I don't know. What y'all think? So just trying to, I mean, I just want to try to give my bike a different, you know, kind of a look, I guess. You know, just to see, you know. But I don't know. We're gonna try it from the back end of it just to see exactly what it looks like. So y'all stay tuned for that. So just give me a second. Let's set it up. So this, I'm all for full face helmets, right?
Yeah.
I'm all for it. But like I've had this one for not even a week, for like 3 days, 3 or 4 days or whatever. So I got it honestly on the strength of you.
Yeah.
Right? Because I knew it was starting to get hot or whatever, but like I said, I'm all about full face. But what I want to say is, listen, I get it. The wind, like today, like I pulled up to a stoplight, there was this other biker who came up right up next to me. I wasn't recording at the time, go figure. Came up right next to me. I said, hey, what's going on? I said, hey, I remembered, shit, I don't have a full face on. You know, I just had like my little rag on, so I pulled that. I said, hey, what's going on, bro? How are you, man? Gave a little pound or whatever. Said, what you out just riding? I said, yeah, I'm actually going to the comic book store, and then after that, gonna go head back to Sprouts, pick up a buddy of mine, and I said, we're gonna get a bite to eat. He said, cool, man. Shit, I'm just riding.
Pipe loud, just sitting there, can conversate.
Shit, man,
yeah.
dog. But it goes back to me feeling that we don't have, like, we have one thing in common, and that could have started a beautiful relationship right there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, or that did start a beautiful relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Off of the fact that we both were on motorcycles. And I just feel like, I don't know, it's like humans that we don't communicate enough. You know, that right there was like, you know, because I would hate to throw race into it because I was a black guy, he's a white guy. But, you know, it's just like, damn, wow, that was a phenomenal moment right there.
Yeah.
Like, I felt like you only, if you don't ride motorcycles, you're not gonna understand. That's what I call them, Brick. Yo. Hey, what's going on, man? Are you out?
No, I'm at the house.
You at the house?
I'm working.
What that mean?
Bro, I thought you was off.
Oh, I'm not off, bro. I work Monday through Friday.
Oh my God. Okay. All right. Well, we try. Dang, break it down, man. We trying to get something. We trying to get something to eat, man.
Go get something to eat. What's stopping y'all?
Because I thought you was off. We was gonna go ride, man. We supposed to be riding cool together.
Who's all out?
Just me and Oz. And it's supposed to be you, but now you know you have responsibilities. You have to work.
Oh, you got a job.
Yeah, right. No, but go ahead, man. Go ahead. We were just trying to see where you was.
All right.
All right, bro. Peace. All right, y'all. So we just scooped up the homie Rockzilla, aka Nas, and now we can go get some bite to eat. So we're gonna grab some pizza and over there at the Avenue over here in Peachtree City. It's a nice little spot over there, you know, because it's nice outside, man. So we're gonna try to eat outside and yeah, all that. Anyway, so yeah, that's what it is, man. So we'll see y'all on the bike, and I'm gonna try to see what this new angle looks like. Okay, so hopefully it'll look good. Hopefully it'll look good. But anyway, it's your boy Chief Thron. All right, we out. right, y'all. So we just pulled up, man, at the great Positano pizza place. Y'all get into it. Get into it. Get into it.
Ooh-wee.
You feel me?
Butter.
Yeah. So we'll catch y'all later. Peace. Well, all right, guys. So we got the whole crew with us for the most part. We got Brando, David, aka Cali. We got my boy Donnie Blaze in the background, and where's Rock at? Rock is probably inside getting gas, but we're just gonna do some riding around, man. It's still nice outside. It's like 85 still, man. It's a great day, man. Fantastic day. Great fellowship over there at the pizza place. We sat and, talked for an extra like 35 minutes when everybody got there. So it's just a beautiful day to be outside, man. I'm so thankful that I get to ride with a bunch of like-minded individuals like myself. And we just get to have fun on bikes and just fellowship, man. It's just a great feel. So, like I said, we're just gonna end the video right there, guys. I appreciate everybody tuning in. It's your boy Chief Thron. The journey is the adventure, and the adventure is just a twist away. Peace.